welcome to my YouTube channel. We're gonna saute our broccoli right here. Start with olive oil, garlic, we're not gonna brown our garlic, it's just a little bit translucent. Next, we're gonna saute our broccoli. Good. Not so good in here, guys. So we're just gonna saute this and cover for a few minutes. Instead of water, we're gonna pour a little bit of chicken broth. Soften the broccoli and we cover it. And we'll wait until the broccoli gets tender. So this is how it looks now. A little bit more. Maybe the steam get tender. Actually, I like my vegetable to get like crunchy, but I want it to be soft also. I'm gonna put some salt. Next step. Our broccoli is a little bit tender now, so pour some bag of spinach, because I have spinach available, so I'm just using it, just mixing it together. We're gonna season our vegetables with oyster sauce, because we are Asian here, guys. Asian food. And that's it. We're done, guys. Our vegetable is cooked. Broccoli and spinach. I sauteed it in garlic, salt and pepper, and season it with oyster sauce. Bon appetit! So tonight we're making a salmon and mashed potato broccoli. So we started cooking our potatoes. I put some salt in it already, so that way it will get sick into our potatoes. What I mean is the salt. So we'll just let that cook and then we'll prepare something else. So right here we're gonna slice, or we're gonna clean our salmon. My husband bought this from Aldi, and Aldi, guys, if you guys familiar with Aldi, they have a salmon that is never been frozen. So this is it. I know, sorry for the price in it, and it's a fair amount of fish. So guys, this is how I prepare my salmon. We're gonna put squeeze some lemon to get rid the fishy smell. And we're gonna eat this salmon for probably 4 days, 2 days. Then we're gonna pour some olive oil. You know, salmon is oily fish, so you don't have to put too much anyway of olive oil. And we're gonna use a smoked paprika to give our fish some color when it cooks. You know, I can pan fry this too, but I prefer to bake the fish for 30 minutes and some dash flavorful seasoning. That's gonna be good, I will tell you guys. And of course, on my steamed fish, I love to put some fresh cilantro to this. I'm just gonna literally put that there on the top because I like the smell and I like the taste of cilantro. So that's how it looks. And then we're just gonna put it in the oven. We're gonna put some more spice in here, which is lemon. Lemon will give our fish a good taste. Lastly, we're gonna put some black pepper on top of it. But since I'm Asian, instead of using salt, I'm going to use a soy sauce. We're gonna pour some soy sauce just over it. Make sure you don't overdo it. This is gonna be good, guys, I promise. Alright, that's gonna be good. We're going to bake our fish for 45 minutes. So that's how it looks, guys. We're gonna steam our fish inside the oven for 45 minutes, as I said earlier. Let's get. So our potato is cooked, so I'm just gonna drain this and then we're gonna start mashing it. We're gonna put some half a stick of butter. We're gonna season it now, so that way we'll just have a little bit of salt because we already salted it when we are boiling the potato. And then we're gonna put some sour cream, Great Valley Walmart brand. I like a lot of sour cream in my food, especially mashed potato. This gonna give the mashed potato a creamy taste or texture. Oops, I'm shaking it. And a little bit of milk. I'm just using whole milk. Now it's time to mash our potato. Oops. Our mashed potato is cooked. Our fish is cooked. We just have to check it how it looks after 45 minutes. So this is how it looks after 45 minutes. It's tender. Oh my, really soft. So that's it. Our dinner is ready. If you like this recipe, if you like this video, the broccoli and spinach, our mashed potato. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and also you can leave your comment down below. I appreciate everyone that been watching my video. Thank you so much, guys, and see you on my next video. Bye.